Hello students, welcome to Spectra Educational Academy. In this video, I am going to explain few numericals based on the concept we discussed in the previous video. Okay, let me remind you what we discussed in the last few minutes of previous video. We spoke about the definition of unit vector. So let me once again write a vector whose magnitude is equal to 1. Otherwise, you can say that a vector having magnitude is equal to 1 is called unit vector. Suppose a vector A bar is given, then unit vector in its direction. Unit vector in its direction is A cap is equal to vector A by its mod. Then we have also discussed that a vector parallel to A bar having same magnitude as that of vector B is mod of B with A cap. So A cap means you have to once again write mod of B. A cap is A bar by mod A bar. So based on this, now let me explain the question. Yeah, this is the question. A vector parallel to 6i cap plus 8j cap and having a magnitude of 5. So this is the formula. So mod of B is going to be 5. And vector is what? A is a vector. So you can write 6i cap, 8j cap divided by mod of A. How to find out mod of A means? So it will be 6 square 36. It will be 8 square is 64. So this is going to be 6i plus 8j into 5 divided by, this is root 100, it will be 10. So therefore you'll have to cancel 2 times. Now if you take out common here 2, this will be 3i plus 4j whole divided by 2, 2 and 2 cancelled. So 3i cap plus 4j cap is the answer. So fourth option is the correct one. Let us move to the another question. Similar, but maybe numbers different. Let us move to the another question. A vector parallel to 3i cap plus 4j cap and magnitude same as that of I cap plus j cap is. So the answer is, once let us write once again B magnitude with A cap. So this is the formula. Mod of B and this A cap can be written as vector by its mod. So since vector B is I plus j, so its mod means what? 1 plus 1. Along with vector A is 3i plus 4j cap divided by mod of A. So it will be, so this is 3 square will become 9, 4 square will become 16. So therefore this is root 2 along with 3i cap, 4j cap whole divided by, this is 16 plus 9, 25, root 25 is 5. So second option is the correct answer. So you can choose by changing the numbers little bit, you can choose the other options. Let us discuss a conceptual point here. If a bar, so it's a vector, is parallel to B bar, then AX by BX, subscript of course, AY by BY, AZ by BZ is equal to constant. Let us discuss another conceptual point. If A bar and B bar are two anti-parallel vectors, then A bar is equal to minus KB bar. So this can also be written as AX by BX, AY by BY, AZ by BZ is equal to minus K. Let us discuss a numerical based on this. The question is, if 2i cap minus yj cap plus 3k cap is parallel to 8i cap plus 3j cap plus 12k cap, then we need to find out y is equal to how much. So this is the formula we are going to use. AX by BX. So what is AX? AX is going to be, first you write down A is equal to 2i cap minus yj cap plus 3k cap. We are going to find out y. Second vector is 8i cap plus 3j cap plus 12k cap. Now the formula is AX by BX, AY by BY, AZ by BZ. So AX position is occupied by 2, BX position is occupied by 8 is equal to, AY position is occupied by minus y, BY position is occupied by 3, AZ position is occupied by 3, and BZ position is occupied by 12. So you can compare 1, 2 or 2, 3. So anything is okay. 2 by 8 is equal to minus y by 3. So this will be 4 times. So you'll get y is equal to, on cross multiplication, you'll get minus 3 by 4. Thank you very much, students, for watching my video. In my next class, I'll continue with the position vector and also along with numerical. But don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives. Please make your comments.